Hey guys, welcome to our tutorial. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to model the arms and the feet and the legs. So what we've got, let's bring our outline now. We've got a NURBS circle, okay, which is pretty much a circle that I just squished, and that's a NURBS circle that I've got on here. It's pretty much a circle, from here, a circle, just squished the vertices and made it into that shape. So now what I want to do is to take it into orthographic view, then take the circle up there. So do Control D to duplicate it, then bring another one at the bottom, whatever duplicate is at the bottom. Shift select those two, make sure you go back into surfaces, then loft it to create the leg. Now after you do that, you can close this one after that because we won't need it. So now we want to duplicate this foot to the other side. So all we have to do is select that one, edit, duplicate special. Make sure it's -1. Okay, what 1 is that side, so -1 is on the other side. Okay, -1 on the other side, negative side of that. It's pretty much trying to mirror it. So just duplicate special. Now go back into your front view. What I want to create is the fit. Okay, so go back into polygons, create your polygons. That's around there. That's about right if I move it, that little space there. Then scale it. That's about right. Now move it forward. Then move that one to cover up that little space that we left. Now take this back to polygons. Okay. Take that one back to polygons. Now select the edges. Shift select 1, 2, 3. Four. Edit mesh, then bevel it. When you bevel it, bevel it at 5 as the default. So what you want to do is offset it to 0.3 is pretty good. Then segments, add some segments to it, maybe 3 segments, and that's that looks right to me from here. Go into your front view, see, it looks right, blends in right, so that's pretty good. So what you want to do is take it back into object mode, click it, Control D to duplicate it, W to move it, then just move it to the other side. That's it. So we've got our fit. What I want to build now is the arm. So from here, the arm looks like a little square kind of thing. It looks square with beveled edges, but it's actually a circle. It's actually a circle. So guess what we're gonna use? Most of you probably guess right. We're gonna use a cylinder. So just take it to the middle and just make a cylinder. Make a cylinder. Then, because it makes a cylinder in the middle, as you can, let me go back to the front view. It makes it in the middle at 0. So just move it to make it, Yep, that's almost perfect actually. Then just scale it to make it the right size. Then go back into perspective view. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. So what we want to do is to if I had to go back to my front view, you will notice that you notice that there's an arm, there's a little joint in there. That's more like the shoulder, and there's a little thing in there like whether your scat, whatever your bicep is. So what you want to do is to create that space. So click on the cylinder, and that's the height. We'll increase the subdivisions. Okay, there's one there, two more subdivision for this part and the other part. So that makes it 3. So then go back into your vertices, rubber band, select the middle, and just scale it. Yeah, that's right. You scale it. Then take it back into object mode. Actually, let's take it into faces, because we want to extrude the biceps. Want to extrude the biceps. So we're talking about extruding it from there, from about there. Actually, it's not really straight. Take it into object mode and just position it properly. We might as well scale it a little bit. Doesn't make much difference, but fair enough. Yeah, because what you want to do is to extract that. Okay, so now let's take it back into face mode. So while selecting that, just estimate it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6. Let's see. We'll find out. So you make those faces, then just extrude it. Edit mesh, then extrude. Okay. Make sure you're in polygons, guys. So you can just extrude it that way. Actually, to follow suit. That way. Then you can extrude it further from your. You might as well make the middle line as your guide. Make sure the middle line is not crooked, Then you can always change it, you can always change it to make it the way you want to make it. Now take it back into object mode. Now take it, go back to vertices. Now go to vertices after you take it from object mode. Then what you want to do is scale them up. Okay, scale that up so it's a straight line. Then scale the vertices inwards. Then you can always move them a little bit to the left so that it's right. Then using E, you might as well twinkle the x-axis, make it the way you want to make it, which is about, it doesn't matter, guys, whatever, do what you want to do. There you go. Object mode. So we've got let's go back into orthographic. So we've got our shoulder and arm. It's actually bent, and go into vertex. It's actually bent. We don't want a bent arm, so we can straighten it up by taking it there. That's right. So now want to do I want to make the bottom arm, because we already have this one, the top arm thingy. So we might as well use this one for the bottom arm. So what are we going to do? Control D to duplicate this one. Then just bring it down there. As you can see, it's a bit bigger, but let's take object mode R, then just using the mirror, just scale it in. W to move it up, then E to rotate. Yeah, E to rotate it. And again, you can tweak it the way you want to tweak it. Okay, vertices, then you can just extrude to wherever you wanted to extrude it to, which is there. Actually, as you can see, only we won't need that one or that one. We'll need, yeah. So you might want to, it's alright guys, if you want to make it perfect, make it perfect. I think we'll be alright for now, just for tutorial purposes. So we've got that. Now let's go back into front view. As you can see, this one we want to make some sort of like a space in there, you know, because usually it doesn't happen like that, you know, in real life. So want to more like bevel the inside, or like not bevel, but like sort of extrude inside, but opposite of extrude, whatever that is. So so if you don't know what I mean, let's just take this one outside. Let's just take it out and go back into face. Okay, so what we want to do is to using shift key, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I think by the time it hits 9, it will be a straight arm, because the arm can go all the way back there. So that's about right. So now you've got those 9. Let's see. I think we might as well put 10th on there. Then go back into edit mesh, extrude. So as you know, it's RBG, red, blue, green, X, Y, Z. Alright guys? So what you want to move is you want to move into the Z axis, which is the blue one. Okay, click on the blue one and just move it. Click on the blue one and just the blue arrow and just move it in. That's right, blue arrow and move it in. Then yeah, that's right. Then just R to scale it a little bit more, I think. Yeah, we might as well scale into the do whatever you want guys, experiment, but I think we'll scale into the red axis a little bit, like that. Yeah, that looks right. So we can just grab this one, take it into object mode. Okay, take it into object mode and just take it back to there. It's still it's still not right, but anyway guys, you get the point. You get that point. Okay, now let's again, you can click on that as you can see, you can click on the on this little edge, then press left to, you know, to select the whole thing. Then you can see, you might as well click on the vertices again. Wherever you select the vertices, then you move it to make this one fit right in. But yeah, I'll do that in my spare time, so I don't spend too much time trying to tweak this one to make it perfect. But that's all you have to know guys. Now you've got a robot arm, you've got your foot, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. If you're following along, you can download the template using the description below. Otherwise, yeah, continue, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.